What rules or restrictions govern the relocation of a parent with their child? Attorney Sandra Guzman-Salvado explains. The parents can freely relocate. Every person has a constitutional right to travel, so no parent can prevent or forbid the other from relocating. However, the problems come in when the parent wants to relocate with the minor child or children, if the parents have entered into an agreement for a particular custody schedule, or the court has ordered the parties to a particular custody schedule. Usually, if one parent wants to relocate with the child, that parent has to ask the court permission to do so. The relocating parent may first attempt to ask permission of the other parent. More often than not, because relocating would limit the other parent's time with the child, that parent will refuse permission. It is at that point that the relocating parent would have to file a motion with the court. The court, as in all custody matters, looks to whether the relocation of the parent and child would be in the child's best interest. There are many different factors that go into that, including, will the child still have ample visitation with the other parent? Will the child be relocating to a safe and healthy environment? Will the child still be able to enjoy relationships with extended family on both sides? The court wants to minimize any possible disruption in the child's life. If, when the parties first enter into the agreement, there is already some discussion about relocating, they may choose to include a provision that says they will provide notice to the other parent before relocation, again with the child. That way, there would be plenty of time for the two of them to discuss it and formulate a new schedule for the child. The agreement could also have a provision that states that the child shall not be removed from the school district or the area in which they live unless the court has ordered it, or unless the parties agree otherwise. In that case, the parties can move wherever they want, but the child is the constant and doesn't change until there is an agreement otherwise, or until the court orders it. Call the premier family law firm in Rockville, Maryland today. The law offices of Sandra Guzman-Salvado is one of Montgomery County, Maryland's premier bilingual family law firms. This diverse and affordable family law firm specializes in divorce law, child custody, child support law, and more.